This video is going to be about how do I do a regular maintenance of my 450x, and you can very well see how dirty is my vehicle is. So today I have planned to clean my 450x. First thing, let's fill this with shampoo. This is my Black & Decker pressure washer. Always just do a gentle spray around your display. Now it's time to clean the belt. The belt cleaning is kind of complicated, so you need to be very sure what you're doing. Try to keep the pressure low. Now the belt is clean. Take a clean cloth and start wiping all the way. So try to clean as much as possible. Leave it in the sun for some time. You allow it to dry. Once after you clean, regularly check for the air pressure. To know your tire pressure, go to settings. Click this eye icon. Check for the tire pressure. In case its pressure is low, yes. Now you can see how clean it is. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Hi, hello. This video is going to be about how do I do a regular maintenance of my 450x, and you can very well see how dirty is my vehicle is. You see spiders across. It's been 2 to 3 weeks that I took my vehicle out, and it's full of dirt. Due to the rain, I did not take it out. Last time when I was out, it was damn raining and it accumulated a lot of dust, mud. So today I have planned to clean my 450x, and I have driven 4,100 kilometers till now. So let's start. First thing, let's fill this with shampoo. What I'm using is Vista. It's a car care shampoo. Still, it does a very good performance to my Ather. This is basically to do a foam wash. This is my Black & Decker pressure washer. So try to clean as much as possible. Just rub with a soft cloth. Always just do a gentle spray around your display and your instrument console. Don't do a pressure wash. Now it's time to clean the belt. The belt cleaning is kind of complicated, so you need to be very sure what you're doing. Try to keep the pressure low. Now it's time to put back the mat. Now you can see how clean it is. After a few minutes I'll be wiping it off. Now the belt is clean. Leave it in the sun for some time so you allow it to dry. Take a clean cloth and start wiping all the way. Start from the screen and the mirrors, and near the charging point. To know your tire pressure, go to settings, click this eye icon, and you can see the tire pressure that you need to retain. Check for the tire pressure. In case its pressure is low, try to keep 32. Yes, well and good. So once after you clean, regularly check for the air pressure. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon.